If you want to watch YouTube videos directly on your car screen using Android Auto, then this video is going to help you a lot. By default, Android Auto does not allow video apps like YouTube for safety reasons. But in this video, I'll show you a working method to enable YouTube using a browser inside Android Auto. The best part is, this method is working on the latest Android versions, including Android 15 and Android 16. So if you are using a newer Android phone, this method should work for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to play YouTube videos directly on your car display. So let's get started. First, we need to open Android Auto on your phone. If you are using a Samsung phone like mine, go to Settings. Then tap on Connected Devices. And here you will find Android Auto. Tap on it to open. Now, if you can't find it in your settings, you can simply use the search bar at the top of settings and type Android Auto. Then open it from there. And if Android Auto is not installed on your phone, then you need to install it first from Google Play Store. Just search for Android Auto and install it. Once installed, open it and then continue with the next steps. Now scroll down to the bottom and find the version section. Tap multiple times on the version number until you see a message saying Developer Mode enabled. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Developer Settings. Here, make sure Application Mode is set to Developer. And also enable the option called Unknown Sources. This step is very important because it allows third-party apps like AA browser to appear in Android Auto. Now open any browser on your phone like Chrome. Search for AA browser GitHub. Open the official GitHub page. Scroll down to see the releases section and download the APK file. Once downloaded, install the APK file. After that, open Android Auto again. Tap on Customize Launcher. Here, look for AA browser. Once you find it, enable the checkbox. Now connect your phone to your car using a USB or wireless Android Auto. Wait for Android Auto to launch on your car screen. Open the AA browser for your car display. Inside the browser, go to youtube.com. Once YouTube opens, you can sign in to your YouTube account. Now search for any video, tap on it and it will start playing directly on your car screen. That's it. Now you can watch YouTube videos on Android Auto in your car. In my case, this method was not working properly on Android 14. But after updating my phone to Android 15 and Android 16, AA browser started working perfectly. So if this method is not working for you, try updating your Android version if possible. So that's it for this video. Now you know how to watch YouTube on Android Auto in any car using Android 15 and Android 16. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and comment below. Also, share this with your friends who want this feature in their car. And don't forget to subscribe to Techy Druid for more useful tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.